Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm going to try to do a candy corn inspired nail look, but a really light version. As you can see, I already have on some polish. This is a gel. This is the Yoyogi cat eye. This is the light water magnetic. I can link the video up here and I'll link down below where you can purchase anything that I'm using today. This is at yoyogi.com. It's magnetic, but I didn't use the magnetic properties of it. I just used it as a regular gel polish. 2 coats, and then I applied 1 coat of glue gel and I cured that for 30 seconds on these 4 fingers because I want to try also that white over white stamping that people do and then do my candy corn look over it. So I've had these sitting here for a couple hours. I mean, I've done this before when I play with glitter. I want to see if it comes off again like it used to do with foil glue, and we'll just have a little play. I've got like 4 of these sitting out. I've never done a candy corn look. See how dry it is? It would just flake off, but it sticks into the gel. I'm probably going to save this for my other pinky. I don't know if I got enough room. So if you have problems getting your images off of the stamper, that is a way to do it. It's something you learn over time. See how dry the polish is? It just flakes right off where it's not touching my nail. I'm not touching it with my skin because I don't want to touch the gel with my skin. I'm only touching it with my fingernail. And there's some dry one right there. It's a piece of dry gel. Pull it off. And I'm wiping it onto a little makeup sponge so I'm not getting any gel on my skin. Okay, going in with number 3. These are my Born Pretty stampers, the big, it's like the bling CJS stampers. You can just set it down in there. You can use a silicone tool if you prefer. It's so dry that, let me just show you with a silicone tool. You can just get it in there, flake it off because this is regular polish. Flaking it off. There's a paper towel right over here. I'm just flaking it off into the paper towel. And making sure all my stamping is pressed down. It has a C curve on it. Nothing under my nail because I have, you know, it's dry polish. I'm going to use the other end of one of my newer ones, the blingy stampers. I have some that came in with the clear end on this end. Usually they were all mushrooms. It's much. Try to do this. I'm going to have to do it this way because I can't see through that. Bing! I got it. Just press it on. So if you're having any trouble getting the polish off of the stamper, that's what I would just do. Put down some glue gel. Or if you're a regular polish wearer, foil glue, there's sticky base coats, there's all sorts of things. I mean, it's literally been sitting here for hours. It's like a fail-proof way to get your colors to stay on your nail. I'm gonna get out now for the candy corn look because you can't really see much there. But I'm going for a subtle look. I'm not sure how subtle I'm going. I'm going to start off with sheer white just so that I have some white left over. You shouldn't be able to see this. The sheer orange and the sheer yellow. I'm not sure how sheer these will be. I do want a light look. I've got my neon sitting here just in case it's too light. You could use the neon sparkling, the neon orange if you want a brighter look. I may have to go into that, I'm not sure. Only used these one time. And I can't remember if I don't think I used the yellow or the orange. Not really sure. So we'll just see. Oh, and what I stamped, I forgot to tell you, what I stamped was Beauty BigBang #4 for my Halloween nail supply haul video. That's the image that I used. So all I'm gonna do is get out a little gradient brush. You won't see the first part. It's got a little off with its head again. Hate it when you use extra little hairs. You won't see much from this. It's just a block. I don't think anyways, I haven't tried it. It's just to block the glue gel from adhering. To make that true candy cane, ombre, candy corn kind of look. Guess I should keep my finger down. I've never done a candy corn look before, so we'll just try to make sure that it's covered so that I don't accidentally cover it with the next part. It's hard to see in the sheer powder over white. And then I'm just going to dust it off onto like a makeup sponge just to see. Now, so I do the orange first or the yellow first? Let's do the yellow first. I'm just going to dab a little out. Got stuff falling all over me. Back up, bottles. Dab a little out. Yellow goes at the top of the candy corn, right? So let's do some yellow. I might have to get out the neon for the yellow. It's a little too light for me, so I'm going to get out the neon. I wanted to go subtle, but not quite that subtle. So it'll be a mix of sparkling neon and sheer yellow. Ooh, that was a little bit bright for me. Okay, looks good. Just so a little bit of each. That's what I'm going for. I'm going to do something totally different on my thumb. Let me dust that off after. I'm wiping my brush onto a little sponge. You can wipe it on anything that you have, a piece of cloth, whatever. And I'm going to try to see if the sheer orange is how I would want it. Yeah, that's looking like what I want. If you want it brighter, use your neons. I should be able to dust this off. Just dust this off. After I top coat, I'll just do a little cleanup in the sink. And there's my little kitty corn look. And I want to do something different. Now I want to do this on my thumb. Let's try it without the stamping. little bit of each. This one's going to show up a lot more because there's no stamping. Just kind of blending them together a little bit because I didn't want a bright line, and I still will put a little bit of that sheer on the end. I can see it. I'm not sure if y'all will be able to see it, or anybody from any distance could see it, but I can actually see that. Blend it in. Just a little buku brush. I wasn't actually planning on doing that. I might want to stamp it over top. Just a little wipe down, buff it up a little bit, and you're good to go for next time. I got to do my next hand as well, but I want to do one more thing before I finish. I want to top coat and put in some gems, I think. Before I do the crystals though, I want to show someone that you don't need special tools or anything to use the SheModern decals. Just need water. It could be a drop of water out of your sink. You don't even need this piece of plastic. For instance, I'm gonna take it, hold it in my finger, just let it seep in. You could run this under your water faucet, but you may lose it in the process. Apply it wherever you want it to be. Toss your paper away. This will be for my next hand and how I want it to look. I think that's how I want it to look. So I'm going to top coat in and put on gems on this finger. Don't think one more. It's a big thumb. I'm gonna give this a cure. I'm gonna finish up all my nails, and at the end of the video I will give you the reveal pictures of all my nails. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.